What's up, guys? Google Pixel 6 has been the talk of the town for a couple of weeks now, with news popping all around the internet. For the most part, Google has been revealing the details of their next flagship with clever advertisement campaigns. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to talk about the Google Pixel 6 and everything you can expect from the device with a hands-on video. So, as I said, Google has been sharing images and details about the new chips they will be using in their upcoming devices, like Tensor. But we haven't seen a hands-on video. We've been missing a user's perspective on the device, a candid look at the handset to figure out if it is worth the investment. Recently, we saw a video, thanks to Tech Today, in flesh and blood, or I should say glass and silicone, and the phone looks exactly like we have seen previously in the leaks. It is probably because the unit was a product validation unit and you can see a weird logo on it. Meaning, the device must have been a prototype to test hardware and software, and usually these devices never make it to production, and the final device has a different, more refined look. From this video, we can inspect a couple of new design elements here. As you can see, the phone is said to have a glossy finish, and the camera bar will be on the back to house cameras and sensors. It will attract fingerprints, and you will need a cover on this device. Secondly, the display is slightly curved, like we have seen on the OnePlus 9. And the reason is that there are only a few successful designs that people like on the screens, but they have total control of how the back of the phone can look like. And companies like Google design the back of their phones to stand out. Speaking of the display style, the bezels are quite thin, with 90 to 93% screen-to-body ratio. It can cause accidental touch, but we will have to wait and see about that. The leaked images also confirm the new Tensor chip and its specs. With 2 Cortex-X1 Prime cores, 2 Cortex-A76 instead of A78, and 4 efficiency cores, it is going to be a beast. But since this is a new chip, we cannot tell how good the performance will be until the phone is released. With that out of the way, Google recently postponed their first foldable smartphone to next year. But with recent developments on the matter, turns out that it's not the case. Evan Blass says the first foldable smartphone from Google will launch before the end of the year, which is again a great news for the consumers who currently have no option than Samsung in foldable sections. The foldable has been in development for over 2 years and will certainly be a device to watch out for if the Pixel 6 is any indication. But the thing is, Google is terrible at keeping secrets. The chances are high that if the company had a foldable phone landing this year, we would have already seen it. So it's possible Google could just show the handset on October 19th along with the Pixel 6, but it's just going to be a preview. So if you have any news about the Pixel 6 or the new foldable, share in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.